Hello everybody, my name is Karen Wickfall.
And I'm Chandrea Brown.
Today we're excited to talk to you about a powerful tool for learning called peer tutoring. Specifically, we'll discuss how peer tutoring can help us understand and apply real-life math concepts.
Math isn't just about numbers on a page. It's about solving word problems, whether it's managing finances, calculating measurements for a DIY project, or figuring out the best deal at the grocery store. Math is all around us.
Peer tutoring. So what is it? Peer tutoring is a collaborative learning method where students help each other learn. It's not about one person being the expert or the other being a novice. It's about mutual learning support.
As a tutor, your role is to guide and support your peer. You'll help them understand how budget effectively for the road trip.
So in this scenario, we're going to be planning a road trip for our peer tutoring model. As the learner, the learner's role is to actively engage in the learning process, ask questions to seek clarification and understanding of the real life situation, and together with the tutor, we'll work together through the budget scenario to find solutions.
According to a study by KJ Topping, peer tutoring promotes effective learning as both the tutor and the learner are effectively engaged in a learning process. The effective engagement for fostering a deeper understanding of a mathematical concept. Additionally, peer tutoring engages collaboration and understanding and communication skills, which are essential in a real-life problem-solving scenarios. For our intervention, my partner and I are doing a road trip scenario. So, you and your partner are planning a weekend trip nearby city. You need a budget for transportation, accommodations, meals, and entertainment. Use the following information to create a budget for your trip. Transportation, $80. Accommodations, 2 nights in a hotel, $60 per person. Meals, $15 per person, per meal. $15 per meal per person. Entertainment, $25 per person. Calculate one person's total for the transportation, accommodation, meals, and entertainment. Calculate the total cost for both you and your partner. If you and your partner contribute equally the expenses, how much must each person pay?
Okay. What's our first number that we have to find?
So 80.
So transportation is $80 per person. Our accommodations, we're staying in a hotel, so we're gonna do a hotel for 2 nights. So that'll be $60 per person. Okay, our meals, $15 per meal per person. So that's for 2 days. So 3 meals a day. Okay, and entertainment. So where are we gonna go? Museum and a movie. Okay, so that's $25 per person. So where are we going on this trip?
The beach.
We ride round trip bus. That's fine. That's the cheapest one.
That's the cheapest.
Because I did research. It's cheaper than driving. It's about the same, but it's gonna take us a little while.
But that's fine.
Okay. So you're gonna add all of these. You're gonna add the transportation. So write transportation so you'll know how much that is. And $80 there. And you're staying in a hotel for 2 nights, $60. So you're gonna do that, add that to that. And then the meals, 15. So how many meals would they have?
3 meals for 2 days.
So how much
So that's should be 315. So 15 and 15.
Okay. let's add this up first, and then we'll add the entertainment.
Okay. Oh.
Try again. I think it's
Hold on. 8,
it should be at $90 for the meals all total. So instead of writing 15, 15, 15, just add 80. Do it over here. 80 plus 60 plus 90. Right. And just add it all together there.
So that's 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22.
Okay. 14.
14.
That's okay. So 80 plus 60 is what? That's 14, right?
Yeah, 140. So it's 255.
Yes, 255. And then we're gonna multiply that by 2. So 255 times 2 is how much? And that'll give us the total cost for both of us for our trip.
So 510.
And then if we're gonna do this, each person pays. Are we gonna pay equally for this, or we just one person gonna pay and I reimburse?
I feel like it'll be easier if one person pay and we reimburse using one card.
What about, or what if we just do split it equally, down the middle, so nobody's coming out a whole lot? So we'll divide 510 by 2, and that'll give us the total for the trip altogether.
Which is 255.
Yes, 255. So do you understand how we got each one?
Yes.
Okay. You have any other questions?
I don't.
What about what if we if we wanted to save money instead of paying $255, how could we save money?
Instead of eating out all those days, we could eat at the hotel, maybe breakfast.
Okay.
If they serve breakfast.
Okay, so that would save money. That's what $30 we save right there if we eat breakfast at the hotel. What about the accommodations? If we know people in Myrtle Beach. What if we stayed at somebody's house one night?
That's cheaper.
And that would save us how much money?
That would save us $60 per person. So that's $120 we'll be saving.
Correct.
Each.
So, all in all, peer tutoring is a valuable tool for exploring real-life math concepts. By working together, we can overcome challenges, deepen our understanding, and become more confident with our math skills.